House sparrow, Passer domesticus, cosmopolitan in distribution but introduced in Australia and America. A widespread and breeding resistant species, once abundant in numbers. The species become uncommon now. Though the house sparrow has an extremely large range and population and seriously threatened. Now the populations have been declining in many parts of the world. Distributional range throughout India, but absent in Andaman and Nicobar Islands, but introduced, and rare in Northeast area, Kashmir and northwestern rays being larger in size. In India, populations declined by 70%, both urban and rural areas. The declining trend has been reported from Europe. In Netherlands, the sparrow is considered as an endangered species, found in most parts of the world, declined everywhere. Various reasons for the decreases in population have been reported. The problems pertaining to each place is different. House sparrow is the most familiar bird and associated with human habitations and cultivation. Live in urban and rural areas, found in varied habitats and climates. The house sparrow is culturally prominent. They are omnivorous, feeds on grains, insects, cereals, kitchen scraps, fruit buds, and flower nectar, etc. Community roosts in leafy trees. Chirping call notes are well known. Nest in a hole in ceiling. Nest in wall, basically hole nesters. Threats due to shortage of nesting sites caused by changes in urban building design is a factor. Chicks, they are dying due to lack of food. Declines in insect populations due to the heavy use of pesticides and insecticides in rural areas. By introducing modern harvesting technology, cold storages, indiscriminately using pesticides, insecticides and fertilizers in croplands. In addition to that, cell phone tower radiation impact. World Sparrow Day has been celebrated on every year on 20th March across the world since 2010. Initiated by the Nature Forever Society and becomes popular and is celebrating in more than 40 countries across the globe and is gaining popularity in Europe and other parts of South Asia. The day is earmarked to create awareness among people and in spreading the awareness on the need of conserving common biodiversity. Encourage the like-minded people from all walks of life. The use of special nest boxes for sparrows to boost insect population by raising gardens, reduce the usage of insecticides, pesticides and fertilizers, and adopt a bird feeder.